Hi, it's Kath Molloy here, just showing you what I'm about to do on my Monday and every day when I'm away traveling. I seem to get to the gym a lot more than when I'm home. So when I'm staying in the hotel, I think it's really important that when we hit the ground, especially after those long flights, if you have time, get to the gym. So I got in late last night, so I'm just heading there now. Let's see what this gym looks like. It's looking pretty nice. And it's got all the right equipment. So, head to the gym on a Monday, start your week well. And then, of course, keep training. As a speaker, trainer, sometimes we might speak for 8 hours in a day, even 9 hours, I think, today. So it's really important that you keep your energy up. And when we increase our lungs and our breathing, then with our keynotes, we can be more powerful and have a lot of fun. So on a Monday, get to the gym, start your week well, because you know what? When you go on a Monday, you tend to go every other day. Hope you have fun. Speak soon.